Hi, I'm Prashanth Dharawath, co-founder CEO at Broken.
Hi, I'm Ashish. I'm co-founder and CTO at Broken. So Brokenatom is a software platform which enables anyone with basic software knowledge to create web and mobile applications. So if you are an entrepreneur or if you want to build an application and you do not have software skills, so that is where Brokenatom comes in. We give you a tool which helps you through the beginning to the end of building a full application. The functionalities are as such. When you come to the platform, you will be given a few description of your application, what you want to build. And using that, we have a algorithm which takes all that information and generate the first version of your application. Then iteratively, you can change the design, change the look and feel of your application. And at the end of it, you'll be able to publish the application and immediately share it with the world. You can host it in your own domain, a database will be provided to you, and the data will be owned in your own server or in a shared server as you wish. So when we were doing our computer analysis, we picked up on ease of useness of this software as one of the primary goals. So when we are giving this platform to people who are not programmers, they should be able to very easily build applications. Now this problem has been already solved for building website by companies like Wix and Webflow. In our platform, you don't really have to create the elements, the buttons, the cards for a page, and you do not have to add the functionality one by one. Instead, what you do is you give a very general description in human language, but you will be directly able to communicate with your own language, and then the platform will generate the required code for you. In terms of maintenance, Brokenatom take a full solution for it. So you do not have to maintain the server, you do not have to maintain your APIs, even if you have 100 users, 1000 users or a million users. We take the scalability to the next level that you can scale from day 0 to when you launch your product to thousands of users.
We are using this technique called code generative technology, just like ChatGPT. With this technology, you don't have to have a highly skilled manpower available with you to build complex application. We are glad to be part of Lab 32 program. Lab 32 program helped us in placing ourselves right into the market. They helped us with the pricing models we are offering. The T-Hub community is the first customer base for us to sell our product to and get a lot of feedback in building the product initially. This ecosystem of like-minded entrepreneurs is giving us positive energy, enabling us to work much harder every day.